What are SS hinges, how to use them, and why they are worth it, where to buy them. Introduction. SS hinges are very important part of any door. They hang the door all the time, also keeping them operational. Here we'll try to share each and every detail on SS hinges, why they are worth it, and how to use them while fixing the door. Also, we share one example of SS hinges 4-inch and SS hinges price list from one of the market leader organizations from Rajkot-Gujarat. What are SS hinges? Door hinges created particularly of stainless steel play a crucial role in creating the doors open and shut. Stainless steel makes door operation additional smoother, rust-free, and sturdy for a time period. One tray of stainless steel plates are connected with one another by center important pins, thence doors will move forward simply or backwards swimmingly. Why they are worth it? SS hinges worthwhile because they are rustless and take high wide doors for longer amount of your time. For additional sturdiness of the middle of the hinge, important pins are coated with the assistance of attachment from either side. Steel door hinges are made up of many alternative kinds of materials and are a compulsory part of door fittings. Additionally, value are continuously competitive and easily offered in big selection in any market. How to use them? While selecting any hinges, one have to keep some factors in mind. 1. Height, width, thickness and weight of door. 2. Position of door. 3. Space for after keeping the door open. By keeping these factors in mind, one can choose best hinges according to situation and budget of project. You can check these links for more understanding over different types of hinges. Conclusion. That's all. You'll check SS hinges online by clicking link in description, and if you have got any queries, you'll directly contact our sales team or customer care team on +919033299992.